Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. And today, in our series called How Do I Get My Kids Back, I want to talk to you about one important factor. It's probably one of the first ones, is understanding why the kids were taken in the first place. And so DCF sometimes will, at least here in Connecticut, they will, not be necessarily as clear. Maybe they'll say, quote, we have some concerns, but yet you'll get this court document that has series of paragraphs, sometimes 1 through 20, and different paragraphs that state different facts. That document is very important. You have to read what is said. So what sometimes is told to you may be different in how it's said to the court. There they're laying out their facts, but they're laying out their facts to prove why the child should not be in your care. You have to understand that, because that document is what is being used to convince a judge why the child should not be in your care. So you need to go over that document in detail. I'll have another video about what if you disagree with what they're saying, but at the first, you at least have to understand what is being said. You may not agree with what's being said, but you have to understand, is it an issue of substance abuse, and how did substance abuse impact the safety of your child? One big argument I like to make is when they lobby a allegation against my client, I always ask, well, how does that impact the child's safety? Because when it comes to removing a child, what we're saying, or what the court is believing, is that this child's safety, their well-being, is placed at risk because of something the parent has done or not done. So you have to make that correlation. Read those documents, make sure it's clear. If it's mental health, exactly how is the mental health impacting the safety of the child? If DCF makes a weak case around that, that's something that your attorney can attack. You can help your attorney attack in court, is what is the correlation between what you have done or the conditions that the child is in that places them at risk. If you can fix those conditions, or you can make corrections to those conditions, that and alleviate those conditions, then the kids, there's no reason that the kids can't come back home. So it's key to look at the document that they submitted to you. You normally are served by a marshal. We have an entire series on the actual court process. Please go back to our channel just to look at that. But when that document, they call it a summary of facts or a social worker's affidavit, look through that, because that is what the judge used to determine whether or not your kids should be in your care. Armed with the knowledge of that information, you then could set your own roadmap on how to get your kids back. So stay tuned as we have some more videos on this very topic, on how to get your kids back, because we at the Christie Law Firm, like we said, we believe that kids should be with their parents. We just need to help our parents to make sure that the kids are safe and they're able to be raised in a home that's nurturing, and able to do that until the kids get on their own, whether they're 45 or 25. Eventually they're going to leave, and we want to make sure that the parents are the ones to raise them. Take care.